Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're looking at how digital PLCs totally wiped out manual factory wiring.
Imagine physically rewiring your computer just to open a new app. Sounds totally insane, right?
Well, welcome to the literal dark ages of 1960s factory floors, way before digital controls even existed. Old relay panels were massive and super expensive, making even one change meant sluggish, manual physical rewiring.
Factories back then? Basically, giant, tangled spaghetti bowls of physical wires acting as the industrial muscle.
But then, in the late 60s, General Motors stepped in with a revolutionary digital fix. Enter the PLC. It's the ultimate game changer, controlling manufacturing through software instead of messy wires. Suddenly, that sluggish physical rewiring was replaced by lightning-fast software updates that deploy in mere hours. So here's a cool question. How exactly does invisible code actually create heavy physical action? Your typical PLC uses just 4 main units to bridge that gap between software and hardware. The MPU acts as the new digital brain, using RAM to easily store and execute code.
The flow is super logical. Physical input becomes digital data, the CPU processes it, then triggers machinery.
But wait, factories have massive, dangerous voltage spikes. So how do we protect this delicate digital brain?
Opto-isolators. They literally use LED light to safely pass signals, protecting the CPU from electrical surges.
Finally, digital decisions wait in holding areas called octal latches until they're converted back into physical motion. Swapping manual spaghetti wiring for software freedom didn't just upgrade factories, it absolutely revolutionized modern manufacturing. And the financial scale of this digital transition? Honestly, the number is absolutely staggering. It's a massive $50 billion global industry today, all built on programming machines instead of wiring them. If software killed off physical factory wiring back in the 60s, what physical jobs will code replace next?
That's chapter 1. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.